Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6th NCERT chapter of Algebra. This is second question of its exercise 11.3. So the question says that which out of the following are expressions with numbers only? So part A is y plus 3. So here y is variable. So ये count नहीं होगा. 7 into 20 minus 8z. So z is here variable. So ये भी नहीं होगा. 5 into 21 minus 7 plus 7 into 2. So here only numbers is used. So this 5. So ये भी होगा only number है. 3x. So x is variable here. So ये नहीं होगा. 5 minus 5n. So n is also variable. So ये भी नहीं होगा हमारा. 7 into 20 minus 5 into 10 minus 45 plus p. So here p is variable. So ये भी हमारा नहीं होगा. So which out of the following are expressions with numbers only? So answer हो जाएगा हमारा option C and D. Thank you.